The USDA is proposing a five-pronged approach to combat bird flu and help reduce egg prices, which it initially announced in an op-ed in the Wall Street Journal. The plan does involve investing $500 million to enhance biosecurity measures to keep bird flu out of farms. Additionally, it'll expand a pilot program started under the Biden administration that sends USDA inspectors to farms to assess their current biosecurity measures. The plan also includes approaches that are meant to help farmers who've been impacted by bird flu and to bring down the cost of eggs. For example, the plan notes that the government will consider temporarily importing eggs to reduce prices.